Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a revamped recipe by DIARIES for a creamy chickpea pasta. I've linked her blog page below for reference. However, in this video, I will share my version of this recipe for added texture and flavor. Let's begin. The ingredients include pasta of your choice. In this case, I am using a chickpea pasta, 1 can of chickpeas, 3 sprigs of rosemary, half a tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 box of mushrooms. I chose these white button mushrooms, half a tablespoon of butter, 5 garlic cloves, 1 cup of frozen green peas, half a cup of nutritional yeast, 1 cup of milk of choice. I'm using a full-fat whole milk, 2 tablespoons of white miso paste, and 1 lemon. To start, we'll bring water to a boil and add the pasta once the water is bubbling. In the meantime, we'll prepare the rest of our ingredients. Add half a tablespoon of salt to the drained chickpeas. Then mix and set aside. Next, we'll juice the lemon entirely in a medium-sized bowl. This is where we'll make the sauce. Add half a cup of nutritional yeast and use a fork or a small whisk to mix them together. Now gradually add the milk to loosen the sauce and continue to mix everything together. At this point, the pasta should be ready to drain. Next, prepare a small pot of water to heat up the peas. Now we're going to chop the mushrooms, rosemary, and garlic. I cut the mushrooms down the middle and then across to maintain big pieces because they tend to shrink as they heat up. Now cut the 5 garlic cloves into small pieces. Next, we'll take the rosemary leaves off the sprigs, chop, and set aside. Once the water is boiling, add 1 cup of peas for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, set a pan on the stove on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by the chickpeas. After about 5 minutes, add the chopped mushrooms. Half a tablespoon of butter to cook the mushrooms, and let sit for about 5 minutes. The chickpeas should be golden brown by now, and the mushrooms should look cooked and shiny. Now add the garlic and miso paste, and mix everything in the pan. After about 3 minutes, pour the sauce over it and turn the heat down to low. Add the rosemary and let simmer for 2 to 3 minutes so the flavors can combine. Now add about half of the pasta and mix everything together. I normally use about 2/3 of the pasta. Now once everything is mixed, you can drain the peas and add them over the pasta. And it's ready to serve.